How to add bank account on eBay. So hi guys, so the first thing that we need to do is to log in or sign in to our eBay account, and let's go to the upper left hand corner. Here we can see hi and our name in here. So let's click on this drop down and go to our account settings. So once routed to our account settings, let's go to payment information and let's click on payments. So here in our payment section, we can see our payment options and simply click on add payment option. So next is to input or click on this radio button, the credit or debit card, and click on continue. And there input your card information and whatnot, and simply click on continue. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and